Hi, I'm Grace, a first-year student here at the University of Nottingham. This is Sherwood Hall. Let me show you around. Sherwood Hall's in a great location on University Park campus. It's dead close to Rutland, Derby and Lincoln Hall, meaning you're never very far away from friends. It's also next to the David Ross Sports Village. Because you're on campus, you get free membership for the first year. It's open to all students and has a massive range of training options for you to choose from. For a great spot to meet up with friends and relax in the summer, you've also got the Downs, which is only a short walk away. This is my room. It's a single study plus. That means it comes with a small double bed and a sink, which is perfect for brushing my teeth in the morning without having to leave the room. There's also the single study, shared bathroom plus, and a one-bedroom flat. But no matter which room you're in, they all come with Wi-Fi, a comfy bed, and are in a really convenient location on campus. If you have any questions or need any help from staff, you can also go to Welcome Point Central, which is only a short walk away. If you need to collect any parcels, you can also go to the Derby Post room. This is the common room. You can come here to relax with friends, play pool, table tennis, go on the arcade machine, or have prees before a night out. Here at Sherwood, we've got our very own library, where you can come and study with friends, take a break from your room. We also have a more chilled out area downstairs. In the summer, the courtyard's a great place to have picnics or just relax with friends. At Sherwood Hall, you're only a short walk across the Downs to the biggest library on campus. You can book workspaces, and it's also got its very own cafe if you fancy a break and a snack. Because we're in catered halls, in the Sherwood Dining Hall, there's always plenty of meal options to choose from. Although you're in catered halls, each block comes with its own pantry, where you've got a microwave, kettle and toaster, which is perfect for making cups of tea or having snacks. For getting around to other campuses, there's the free Hopper bus, or for getting into the city, we've got a bus stop right outside. You can take the 901 or a tram. The Residential Experience Team, known as ResX, support your well-being while you live with us in halls. There are lots of activities to join in with that are great fun, and the team are always on hand if you have any worries about living away from home. Thanks so much for joining me on a tour of Sherwood Hall. It's a great hall with great people in a great location.